You know what I think most people are tired of these days? Not physically or mentally. Everyone is pretending to be okay. Everyone is saying I am fine, but inside their head, there are thousands of thoughts running all the time. And in this video, I just want to talk like a friend. No fake motivation, no acting, just some real thoughts about life, overthinking, pressure, comparison, and why we should never give up on ourselves even when life feels confusing. And the worst part is nobody teaches us how to handle life. Suddenly, one day we grow up and now we have pressure, responsibilities, overthinking, fear of failure, fear of being left behind, and everything together. I remember there was a phase where I used to compare myself with everyone. If someone was doing better than me, I would feel like I am wasting my life. I used to think maybe I am too late, maybe I am not talented enough, maybe successful people are just different from normal people. But then one small thing changed my thinking. I realized that everybody starts from zero. The person you admire today was also confused once. The confident person you see today also had insecurities once. The successful person also failed many times before people started clapping for them. But the difference is they don't stop. And honestly, life is not about being perfect. Life is all about continuing even when things are messy. Sometimes we think we need big motivation to change our life, but real life changes from small habits, waking up a little early, using your phone a little less, learning one new thing daily, trying again after failing. These small things look useless at first, but slowly they build your future. You know, people love watching success, but nobody likes watching the process because the process is boring, repeating the same thing daily, improving slowly, failing again and again. That part is not exciting. But that boring part is exactly what creates successful people. And one more thing, stop waiting for perfect timing. Perfect timing does not exist. If you wait until you feel fully confident, fully ready, fully motivated, you will wait forever. Most people start scared. Even now, there are people watching this video who secretly wants to do something big in their life. Maybe start a YouTube channel, maybe improve themselves, maybe follow a dream, but fear stops them. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of what people will say. But listen, people will talk anyway. If you fail, people will talk. If you succeed, they will talk. If you try something different, they talk. So better do what makes you happy, because at the end of the day, your life is your responsibility. Nobody else is going to live it for you. And trust me, some of the best moments of your life will come after the hardest phases. Sometimes life tests you before giving you something good. That's why never think bad days mean a bad life. Bad days are temporary. Just don't quit during them, because one day you will look back and realize the moments which almost broke you actually made you stronger. And honestly, I feel people become truly powerful when they learn how to continue even during difficult times. So if life feels slow right now, relax. Slow progress is still progress. You are not losing, you are learning, you are growing, you are becoming stronger without even noticing it. And maybe your biggest comeback is still waiting for you. If you connected with even one line from this video, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I keep posting these types of real and relatable talks. And comment down one thing that you are struggling with right now, or one dream that you don't want to give up on. I will read your comments.